Tell me guys, last class, what we discussed?
We discussed about the types of cloud, sales, marketing, services,
And also we were discussed about the Salesforce partners.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Salesforce
Key partners. Developerforce.com, Dreamforce.com, and AppExchange.com. Isn't it?
Section.com.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me start the today's session. That is 22nd, 1. Why many people are absent today? Saturday? Huh?
Maybe, sir.
Guys, tomorrow also we have session. Okay. No Sunday holiday. Hello.
Sir, already told you Sunday is a holiday.
Sorry, come again. But not this Sunday. This Sunday you have session.
Okay, sir.
Next Sunday I will give the holiday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow's session.
Break times are 8 to 9 p.m.
No. Tomorrow morning, not 8 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, 9 to 11, 2 hours class.
10 to 11. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Not 10 to 11.
Excuse me, sir. Myself, Subhashish Roy.
Yeah, Shubhashish, tell me.
When the regular classes will start, what will be the perfect timing? It is 8 to 9 in the evening?
Yeah, regularly 8 to 9 only.
Because if it is in morning, it's very, very tough
Oh.
for my job also.
No, not morning. Only evening time only.
Okay,
But
thank you.
only tomorrow. Only tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, only tomorrow. Please attend morning 9 o'clock.
Tomorrow 9 to, sir?
9 to 11. 9 to 11, 2 hours class.
Okay, morning time. IST, Indian Standard Time. Right?
Indian
Do
Standard
we
Time.
have evening, sir?
9 a.m. to.
Do we have now class or evening class?
Sorry, come again.
Yes, one request, like my wife is also in the same training group, and like she is currently in London. So morning 9 to 11 would be midnight for her. So is there any way where you can actually make it in the afternoon or the regular time?
Okay, no problem. We will make it as tomorrow 8 o'clock night. That is okay for you?
That would be perfect timing, I guess.
7 o'clock evening? 7 to 11, 7 to 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes. After 2 p.m. any time is fine for me.
Okay, make it a 7 o'clock evening.
Okay.
7 p.m.
Thank you for considering the
9
request.
p.m. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is your name, ma'am?
Madhu.
Madhu. You are from?
I'm also from Bihar, but currently in London.
Currently, you are in London. Okay, fine. So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is okay?
Yes, that's perfect for me.
Good. So tomorrow, not morning time, tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. we have session. Is this time is amicable for all of you in the class?
Sir, definitely.
Okay. So don't absent tomorrow's session, guys. Tomorrow's session is very, very important. Clear, all of you?
So excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is Janvi. I'm joining you from Dallas, Texas.
Yeah.
So you're changing the time, sir. I just joined now. I'm sorry, I just missed some part.
No. I just started the session. Of course, I'm not started the session. I'm talking about the timings, tomorrow timings.
Okay.
But tomorrow also you have session. So for you it is Saturday night. Okay. So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Okay,
so the Indian Standard Time, you're starting the class at 7 p.m. is it?
Yes, IST.
Okay, so that would be too early for me, sir.
What time?
I think.
1 p.m.
Because I think about 5 a.m. I think.
Oh. Okay, make it as 8 o'clock. As usual, same time.
Okay, so I won't be able to miss anything, right?
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, so
8 p.m. to 10 p.m. is okay. Same time tomorrow night.
Yes.
Madhu?
Yes, okay for me.
Okay, is this time is okay, all of you? Rest of all the people, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow.
3 months, total 3 months and 1.5 months, huh?
Total 3 months.
8 to 10 p.m. Okay.
No, 8 to 9 only. Tomorrow only I'm taking 2 hours class.
Okay.
What is about next Sunday, sir?
Next Sunday you don't have class. Only
Day after
tomorrow.
tomorrow, sir.
Sorry? Hello?
Start the classes, sir.
What Ramakrishna, tell me.
Day after tomorrow, sir, class.
Day after tomorrow,
tomorrow
same
class,
time.
sir.
Day
8
after
to 9
tomorrow, same
PM.
time, 8 o'clock only.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Or also 8 o'clock
Okay,
only. Day after
sir.
tomorrow also same time. Time won't change, okay?
Okay, sir. This time, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
tomorrow same time, guys, 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. Okay? Fine. Let us start the class. Is all of you ready? Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
And last 2 days, tell me guys, last 2 days, how do you feel about the sessions? Are you really follow sessions or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you really satisfied with my
Yes,
teaching?
sir. Satisfied, sir.
Thank you. And what about rest of the people? Jahnavi, Madhu,
Yes, sir.
Sriram Sai Teja, Dr. Sandeep Gupta, everyone.
I have not attended yesterday's class. It's my first class.
Oh, what is your name?
Mayuri.
Oh, Mayuri. No problem, Mayuri. I will share the recordings to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sai sir, there's some kind of confusion with the DurgaSoft, I think, because I every time have to request for the recordings and the invites. I don't know
Actually,
what's
the
going on.
point is, ma'am, who is speaking?
Janvi.
Janvi, the point is once you get registered, then only they will provide the recordings.
Yes, I have registered, but I don't. In the email, I should get the invites, right? I don't get it on time, sir.
Oh, so it means formalities are completed. The formalities.
Yes, I have done with the fees part and everything. Yes, sir, it's done.
Of course, I hope you understand what I'm asking regarding the financial issues I'm talking.
Yes. I have paid the fees and everything.
Oh, great. So no problem. I will talk with the management of DurgaSoft, and as soon as possible, they will they will provide the recordings. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Let us start the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last session we completed what? Salesforce partners. Okay. So versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce. These are the 3 topics I'm going to discuss in today's session. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will start the session. Just 1 minute, please. Okay, guys. Now let us start the class. Versions of Salesforce. So before I'm going to start the versions of Salesforce, suppose take the example of Java programming language. Java programming language, the first version of Java 1.0 released in almost 1990s. After 1.0, 2.0, then 3.0, like that 5.0, the current version 9.0, the current version is I think 11.0, I hope so. So these are all Java versions. Like that, take the example of Oracle database. Oracle database also first version starts with 1.0. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So like that, can hear me all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But the screen is not visible.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, it's
not
audible,
visible.
sir.
Yeah, I will share this. Like that, take the example of Oracle database. Oracle database first version 7.0. Then after we have 8i, like that 9i, 11, 10g,
NG.
11g, policy, 13c, like that. The current version of Oracle is 19c. Understand all of you? So here C stands for cloud technologies. And the G stands for technology. And I stands for internet technology. Like that, Oracle have different versions. If you observe Java and Oracle, the similarity between the Java and Oracle versions, not only Java and Oracle, you take any software product. Okay. All the versions of software products are in numeric format. Or no? Which format? Numeric format. But the importance of Salesforce is Salesforce versions are not in the numeric format. Salesforce versions are in based on seasons format. Understand? That is winter season or winter version, then summer version, and last and final one spring version. Like that, every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions. Each version new is 4 months. 3 into 4, 12 months. Understand? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So it is winter season, winter version, summer version, and spring version. The current version of Salesforce is winter 22. What is this 22? Year number 2022. After winter 22, summer will start. Summer 2022. Then spring version will start. Like that, it will keep on rotating.
2022.
Okay. So I'll show you right now how to find the version. Let me log in .salesforce.com. Now click on home button. And what is this, guys? Winter 22 for developers. Here we can see winter 22 for developers. So this is the version what we are learning right now. Everyone understand? Like that, every year Salesforce releases how many versions? Three different versions. Am I clear this point? Very good.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody got a doubt in the class. Maybe Janvi got a doubt here. What's your doubt is, sir, I understand the versions of Salesforce, what you said. Currently, we are learning winter 22 version. Maybe on winter 22 version, suppose I developed one application, I developed some project, and whatever application I developed on winter 22, is this application, will it work on future versions or not? That is her doubt.
Sir.
Is all of you understand her doubt, please? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Janavi, do you understand your doubt?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So what is your answer, guys? Will it work or not work?
I think it will work.
Exactly. 100%. Damn good. Understand all of you? So undoubtedly, whatever application you developed on the previous versions and the old versions, the same applications, they can happily run on what? Future versions. No problem. Clear all of you?
Yes.
So this is all about versions of Salesforce. I hope you understand this. Coming to the next important point is editions of Salesforce. What are the editions of Salesforce here? Listen carefully. So before I'm going to talking about editions of Salesforce, first let me discuss about what is the meaning of a plan. Plan means, for example, I am the idea postpaid customer. Idea company postpaid customer. I took this connection. This is my number 95534 95532. This is my number. I took this connection almost 8 years ago. I'm a postpaid customer. 8 years back, if I want to take postpaid connection from idea company, I have to approach, I have to meet some executive of idea company. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
And this executive of idea company is going to discuss about or explain about the plans which is designed by idea company to the customers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. They will share some templates.
Like that 149 rupees plan per month. Okay. Or 249 rupees plan per month. Like 349 rupees plan per month. 449 rupees plan per month. Clear all of you? Like that, idea company design different plans according to the customer's usage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good, all of you. Mr. Vinay, can you hear me? Vinay. He can unmute, he can talk with me, no problem. Or any one of you. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What is your name?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir, we can
Yes, sir.
hear you.
What's your name? Anurag,
Dheeraj.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anurag, you please speak with me. Do you have any girlfriend, Anurag?
No, sir.
You don't have a girlfriend? At
No,
least
sir.
first crush, at least first crush
Yes, sir.
in your college days. What's her name? Anurag, tell me. Arey Baba, why you're shy? Anurag, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can tell that.
Yeah, tell me what's her name? Arey Baba.
My girlfriend name is Shreya Chaudhary.
Shreya?
Shreya Chaudhary.
Okay, Shreya Chaudhary. Okay. What's your name?
Rajendra Chaudhary.
Rajendra. So
Yes.
here Rajendra is a person, he's having girlfriend. Tell me, Rajendra, you are going to take which plan among these four? Obviously, 449 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because you have girlfriend, you need to make many calls per day. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, don't think otherwise. Okay. Suppose if any customer subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, okay, so he will get idea to idea. If you make a call, it is free. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
am to some other company like Airtel or some other companies. Okay, it may be 5 paisa per minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Calls.
And he will get 1 GB data free every day.
Yeah,
So,
some companies 12 to 5 p.m. free calls, right?
that plans are different from one company to other company.
Yes.
And you will get what? Unlimited SMS free. Speak out,
Yeah.
everybody. So this kind of facilities you will get if you go for what? 449 rupees plan per month.
59 plans.
Suppose
Yes.
if any subscriber take 149 rupees plan per month, he may not get this kind of facilities. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, plan to plan, plan to plan, plan to plan. Facilities will vary. Facilities will change. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, Salesforce company also design different types of plans. Those plans technically called as what? Speak out. Those plans technically called as edition.
Editions of Salesforce.
Yeah. So these editions are broadly divided into 5 types, 5 editions. The first type of edition can be called as Essential Edition. Second one, Enterprise Edition. Third one, we have something like Unlimited Edition. Fourth one, Professional Edition. Fifth one, someone need to mute, please. I'm getting some noise around you. What is this? Developer Edition. Like that, Salesforce releases how many versions? How many editions? 5 editions.
Five.
Essential, Enterprise, Unlimited, Professional, and Developer
Developer
Edition.
edition.
Among these 5 editions, first 4 editions are what? Paid editions.
Paid edition.
Whereas the last edition, Developer Edition, is the free edition. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
The free edition for us, and this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. See, guys, I think a couple of days back I already discussed about this. Remember?
Yes.
Developer dot.
Editions and prices in Salesforce. Look at this. Look at this, all of you. Essential Edition, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited. What is the cost of Essential Edition? $25
$25.
$25 per user per month. $150 per user per month. $300 per user per month. US dollars. Okay. They bill annually. Not annually pay the rent. Clear, all of you? So edition to edition, facilities will vary. And governor limits will vary. What is this?
Limits.
Governor limits. Don't ask any questions regarding governor limits. This we will discuss at the time of batch effects. So batch effects is one of the concepts in Apex development. But at the particular point of time, we will discuss about what governor limits. Am I clear this point? But the last and final edition, that is called Developer Edition. This is the free edition, and this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. So look at the point, look at the screen and try to understand here. Developer.force.com. Yesterday I discussed about this. Developer.force.com. And click on sign up button here. And you can see sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition, a full featured copy of the platform for speak out. Free. So this is the edition what we are using.
Cost.
It's a free edition. Clear, all of you? Like that, there are 5 editions given by Salesforce. Essential, Enterprise, Unlimited, Professional, and Developer Edition. Am I clear all these points?
Yes, sir.
Next. The most important, most important thing. Third one, the most important thing today. Listen carefully and try to understand this. That is environments of Salesforce. What is this?
Environment of Salesforce.
Environment of Salesforce. Please listen to the class very carefully and try to understand. If anybody have any doubts, feel free to ask the questions. I'm requesting all of you guys, first of all. Hello?
So this is Janvi.
Yeah, Janvi, tell me.
So regarding the users, when you showed us the plans, the monthly plans,
Yeah,
so
editions.
per user, additions. So per user, if it's 25 and
Yeah,
75,
per user per month.
So per user, is it the owner of the business or how is
Owner of the business they have to pay.
Okay.
The vendor company. It might be development company or it might be client also.
Okay.
Or it may be single user also. Understand?
Okay.
Suppose I am the freelancer. I'm not working in any company. I'm the freelancer. I'm getting the project from the clients. I have to develop the project. So I can take any plan.
Okay.
It might be development company, it might be client, or it might be single individual user also. Understand?
Okay, so yes, sir. So if for example, if I have 500 people in my company, so will it be 300 into 500 per user?
Yes, obviously.
Okay.
So depending on the company size, you have to take the addition. Suppose your company is very big company having thousands of employees are working like TCS or Wipro. Those kind of companies are generally using what? Unlimited edition.
Unlimited. Okay.
Because they need more space actually. That's
okay. Got it.
Company, small company, level 1 company, level 2 company, having 300, 500 employees are there. Generally, those people are going for what? Either enterprise edition or professional edition.
Okay.
So depending on the requirement, that's it. See, very simple point here. Very simple point. Suppose you and only your, sorry, maybe I don't know you're married or not. Suppose you're.
I am.
Okay. You're only you and your husband is there. For you, for 2 persons, single bedroom is enough. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 BHK is enough. Suppose you have 2 kids, then 2 BHK. You have 2 kids, your father, your mother also there, then go for 3 bedroom. Yes or no?
Correct.
Like that only, depending on the number of people. Is this clear?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Myself, Gopi.
Yeah, Gopi.
Sir, what is freelancing, sir?
Oh, freelancer. Freelancer means I'm a Salesforce developer, suppose. Okay. I have the good contacts with the companies. I'm not working in any company. I'm not binding to any company, and I'm not confined to any particular company. Suppose you have the company. Okay, I'm your friend. You know my abilities, my skills, and all. Okay, you're completely believing me. I can get the project from you. I can develop the project. I'm a single person. Yes or no?
Okay.
I'm a freelancer here.
Sir, what about salary, sir?
You have to pay based on the project.
Okay.
You are my client. It's not salary, it's project wise.
Okay, sir.
Myself, Subhashish.
Yeah, Subhashish.
Suppose in an actual environment, suppose I have developed a project for any company. Okay. Now the company has 100 clients. Okay. Now I have developed the application within
100 clients means 100 employees, 100 projects or what?
100 clients means 100 users of that particular project.
Okay, 100 users of the particular project. Okay, client is only one.
Only one. But
okay, one project is running. So develop the project, you have 100 users are there. Okay.
Suppose I have developed a Salesforce application for that particular company. Then each and every, there are 100 employees working on the same project, same application. So the 100 persons users have to pay different amount.
For all the 100 people are using your Salesforce space, yes or no?
Yes.
That's what I'm telling to Janvi just now. Per user, per month, we have to pay.
It's pretty expensive, no, sir?
But sir, we can use the developer edition
also.
Developer edition is
Developer
only
edition
for
is free
developer.
edition. You don't need to pay anything.
So why we need to buy the 100 IDs? We can use the developer edition.
No, there are
Very
some
good question. Who are you?
Sir Rahul Singh.
Rahul Singh.
Free
Very
is
good
not
question.
available.
Actually, you people are asking the important question at expected point of time. You have to ask the question in this way. Sir, why Salesforce company given the developer edition as a free edition?
So that they can
You have to
enhance
ask
their
this question first of all. You have to ask this question first of all.
Popularize that particular product, because
No,
you
that
can
is
get
wrong.
it.
That is wrong. There is a business secret.
Yes.
I will give you 24 hours time. All of you in the classroom. I'll give you 24 hours time. Ask any one of your friends, the people who are already working in Salesforce. Okay. Any one of your friends, or find in the Google. Okay. You please tell the reason tomorrow, find the information why Salesforce company given developer edition as a free edition. If anyone can tell the correct answer, definitely I'll give the a surprise gift to you.
So, excuse me, sir, is it because they want to, is it like open source thing?
No. I clearly told here, what is this? There is a business secret behind this. I want this secret. What is this?
Okay, sir, I will try, sir.
You please try. If any one of you tell the answer,
We'll try level best, sir.
sorry?
So,
Is it to improve the community?
No.
So I think it is basically based on the functionality and services provided by the.
No, it's not like that. Actually, there is a relation between the developer edition.
And the Salesforce.
No.
Can you give us a clue, sir?
And what is this?
Yes.
So I will tell you tomorrow. I'm not rushing you. Take your own time. All of your answers are wrong. Take your own time. I'm not rushing you. And tell the answer tomorrow. What is the secret behind this? Why Salesforce given the developer edition as a free edition? I can challenge you.
Sir, I think the developer edition, if we develop an application, we can't sell it.
No, guys. I will tell you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, you can go with the third.
Sorry?
Yeah, tomorrow I can try my level best.
Okay, thank you. Now let me start with what? Environments of Salesforce. So what are the environments of Salesforce here? This point is very important, very crucial point, guys. Everybody please focus. There are two types of environments of, what is this? Salesforce. First environment can be called as Sandbox environment. Second one, production environment. So what is Sandbox environment? Sandbox environment means it is purely, what is this? Development environment. Where developers can sit and develop the, what is this? Application
Applications, I think.
as per the
client requirement.
Client's requirement. I can say it is a purely PaaS environment. What is this? PaaS stands for Platform as a Service.
As a service environment.
Good. Sandbox environment is purely developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the business requirement. There are three types of what? Sandboxes. First one is called Configuration sandbox. Done. What is this? Developer sandbox. Third one. What is this, guys? Full copy sandbox. Like the total, how many sandboxes are there? 3 types. Configuration sandbox,
Configuration sandbox is also
sandbox,
called
and
as
full copy.
partial sandbox.
Configuration sandbox. It is
Yes.
completely based on GUI. Do you know what is GUI stands for?
Graphical user interface.
See, guys, 40% of application, 40% of application we can develop through GUI only. No need to write any programming and coding. Understand, all of you? That is the advantage of what? Salesforce. 40% of application we can develop through what? Coding part only. That's without coding only. Just drag and drop, point and click. So this kind of sandbox can be called as what? A configuration. The second type of sandbox can be called as developer sandbox. Here the developer need to write what? Code, or need to write what? Speak out. Programming. 60% of application we can develop through what? Speak out. Coding. For coding, we need to use another programming language given by Salesforce is called Apex. Apex is the programming language. I can say it's a proprietary language of Salesforce company. We are using Apex language for developing the application. 60% of application we can develop through coding. 40% of application we can develop through what? GUI. So is anyone know about SAP company name? What is the company name? Speak out.
SAP.
SAP. SAP company, one of the programming language name is called what?
ABAP.
What does ABAP stands for?
Advanced Business Application
Business
Programming.
Application Programming. Just like SAP company ABAP programming language, same way Apex company, Salesforce company proprietary language is called what? Apex. Using Apex language, we can develop the application programmatically. 60% of application you can develop through coding, and 40% of application we can develop through what? GUI. So after completion of developing the application, okay, and we have to go for what? Full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox? Full copy sandbox contains the replica. What is this?
Replica.
Replica of original application. Understand, all of you? Replica means what?
Dummy.
Duplicate, not dummy. Duplicate copy of original application. They will place in where? Full copy sandbox. Tell me why we need to place duplicate copy of original application in full copy sandbox?
For development.
That is for testing purpose. What is that?
For testing purpose.
Testing purpose. Tell me, guys, after developing the application, we need to test it or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of testing? Testing, it is a process. Okay. Process of what? Testing the application. Whether this application really meeting the client's what? Client's requirement or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This checking process can be called as what? Testing. Testing is the process of checking the application, whether this application is really meeting the client requirement or not. That checking process can be called as testing. Here, all of you, for testing purpose, one of the duplicate copy of the original application, they will place in where? Speak out.
Full
copy sandbox. Am I clear this point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Say in other words, It directly means like production like environment, right?
Yeah, production like environment only. All of
Only,
you.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever you are going to define for production, but copy we have to place in where?
Right. Okay.
Full copy
Got it.
sandbox for testing purpose. If
Mhm.
testing is okay, then we have to deploy the application. Tell me what is the
So,
meaning of
so in Salesforce, the testing happens in full copy sandbox or
yes,
in
full copy
general,
sandbox
like
only. Full copy
full
sandbox
copy
only.
sandbox.
Yes.
So developer delivers the code in full copy sandbox, and there like QA performs the testing.
Yes.
Okay.
But deployment after testing is
Deployment.
okay, then you can go for what? Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Move the application from sandbox environment to
Production.
that process can be called as deployment. So what is a production environment? Production environment is a client's environment.
Live.
Okay. Client's environment. Okay. Here, client and the client's employees are using the application. Clear, all of you. Your client and client's employee are going to use the application. Point clear? But here I'm going to ask a simple question. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
My
Yes, sir.
question is client and client employees knows how to use the application? No, they don't know how to
No,
use the
sir.
application.
No.
To guide them, to monitor them, and to monitor the application, how it is working or not. Here, there is a person sitting always at the production place. That person, we can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call him as what? System administrator. What is this?
System administrator or super user?
Super user. Listen carefully. System administrator always sitting at where?
In client
Environment or client environment. All of you understand? The point what I'm going to discuss is roles and responsibilities of
user.
system administrator in the company. This is the point I'm going to discuss now. Listen carefully, try to understand. Roles and responsibilities of system administrator. System administrator is a person who is going to create the user accounts. He is the person creating the roles for the users, and he is the person who is going to create the profiles for the users. So that he is the person granting the privileges. What is the meaning of privilege? Permissions. Granting means giving. Granting permissions or privileges to the users.
Sir, what is the meaning of the privileges? Can you repeat once
Permissions.
again? Permission, okay.
And also revoke back. Revoke means take back. Revoke privileges from the users. Yes or no? And also he is performing some data management operations. Data management operations means that is import and export operations. Import means importing the data from external systems to what? Salesforce. Export means export the data from Salesforce to external systems. Understand? Good, guys.
Yes, sir.
And also we will discuss, and also system database administrator is performing data automations and something like what? Approvals. Data automations we can perform. 1 minute, please. Import export operations, database administrator can perform using some tools. These tools are data import wizard, and we have something like what? Data loader. Using these two tools, system administrator can perform import and export operation. Then after data automation and approvals, automations means automatically perform some operations by using some tools like what? Workflows, process builder, flows, and also we have something like what? Approval process. Understand all of you?
So hierarchy is an approval process, right?
Sorry, come again.
Hierarchy means a approval process, right? What we are preparing hierarchy inside this Salesforce.
Hierarchy concept is we have option hierarchy option approval process.
Yeah.
And also we have hierarchy concept in data security.
Okay, data security. Yeah.
Data security. That is the point I'm going to discuss now.
Okay.
Data security. We can provide the security in different levels like org level securities. Next, app level security. App level security. Object level security. Field level security. Record level security. Under record level security, we have something like OWDs, organization-wide defaults. Here, role hierarchies. We have something like manual sharing. Sharing rules. We need to create some public groups. Permission sets. Okay, these all comes under what? Security aspects. And the next and final point is what? Data analysis. Data analysis means BA. BA stands for business intelligence. That is finally reports and what is this?
Dashboards.
Clear all of you? So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in the company. Very huge topic, guys. Here about 15 days, more than 2 weeks, we will discuss about administration topic.
Okay. Sir, can you tell me the meaning of the approval process? I think he needs to.
This is not the right time to discuss about. I don't want to confuse the people unnecessarily.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Okay. So these are the topics I'm going to cover. So I will make you masters in programming and as well as administrations also. See guys, there are 2 types of job profiles in Salesforce. How many?
Two types of job profiles in Salesforce.
One is developer.
Okay.
Or you can go for
Administrator.
But my first priority is go for development side. If you go and settle as a developer, you will get more salary than administrator. Understand?
Yes.
So there are 2 types of job profiles. Don't go for testing side. Testing side, you will get very less number of jobs, very less opening. Clear?
Yes,
so
sir.
Before I'm going to wind up the class today, listen carefully. Next down the line 3 months of course, whatever information I'm going to deliver to you down the line 3 months, I'm going to give very huge amount of information regarding the subject. I can challenge, nobody can give you this much of information regarding Salesforce. All of you understand? So with the help of this particular knowledge, you can blindly crack the entry. Undoubtedly. Clear all of you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
The only thing I'm expecting from your side is you have to practice regularly. You have to attend to the sessions regularly without any absenteeism. And every time I'm going to give assignments to you, you have to complete your assignments. I'm going to create a separate WhatsApp group for your batch. You have to post your answers. Okay, if you got any doubt, please you can ping me. I can clarify your doubts. So from my side, I'm giving you the full support to you. See, guys, one important point I need to tell at this point of time. Don't treat me like a trainer. Please treat me like your friend. I'm going to share the complete knowledge with you. Squeeze me like anything. Grab the information. Clear all of you.
Sir,
So can we have your email ID?
Sir,
Sir, this is Pani, sir. Can I answer your question, sir? Why the development edition is free?
Yeah, tell me.
Because we develop an application for testing purpose. We use the development edition.
Good.
For that,
who said? Excuse me.
This is Pani, sir.
Who said development and testing purpose they are using developer edition?
No, sir. Before we purchase anything from the
Mr. Pani, that is wrong. Mr. Pani, that is wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you said, that is wrong. Okay.
Sir, the customer has to buy license to use the for users, number of users. Anyhow, they have to use the paid
First of all, before you tell the answer, please let me know what is the difference between product and project. First, you tell the answer.
Product is for selling. Sorry.
With the help of product, we can make project.
With the help of product, we can develop project.
No. Otherwise, product is a part of
product is ready-made, sir. We buy it according to our needs. So project means develop from scratch based on the requirements, customer-specific requirements. Or customize.
Good. We can customize. We can change according to the client's requirement. Sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is project. For your better understanding, Hyderabad Metro. Yes or no? Hyderabad City Metro train is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hyderabad Metro train is a project or product?
Project.
It's a project.
Project.
It is handled by L&T company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, this project started almost 15 years ago at the time of Rajashekar Reddy government. Yes or no? Before Andhra and Telangana division. So the project started around 15 years or 18 years
No,
back.
sir. It's 11 years. 11 years.
Maybe 11 years back, maybe. Okay. So before state divided. Clear? At that particular point of time, there is no direct line from CM camp office to Advjava airport. Clear, all of you. After that, state divided, KCR becomes the chief minister of Telangana. Then KCR ordered to L&T company, I want a direct train or I want a direct line from my camp office to Advjava airport. Tell me, according to KCR instructions, according to KCR orders, is L&T company is going to change the project or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So project means what? They have to change according to the client requirement. They have to modify, they have to customize, they have to configure according to the client's requirement. That thing can be called as project. Product means, suppose I'm using iPhone. Tell me, iPhone is more secure or not?
Yes, sir. It's a more secure.
Yeah. One of my friend using Samsung phone. Here, all of you, he is having some good ringtone. I want to download the ringtone from Samsung to iPhone. Shall I download? Not possible.
Yeah,
we
not
cannot
possible.
download. So in the iPhone, whatever I want, everything have to download only from App Store. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I cannot download from other person's mobile. Clear? So that facility is not available. I cannot download. That is why immediately I call to customer care of iPhone company. I'm using iPhone 10. Okay, I cannot able to download the ringtone from my Samsung phone, my friend's phone. I don't have this option. I'm going to send my mobile to you. Please put this option according to my requirement. Tell me, Or they will change according to my requirement?
No, sir, not it, not it, not a
iPhone is what?
product. It's a product.
The final one that we cannot change according to the customer's requirement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But whereas project is not like that. Project is not like that. We can change according to the client's requirement. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now a simple question I'm asking here. On force.com platform, what we can develop? Are you going to develop projects? Or are you going to develop products? Or are you going to develop both? Speak out, guys.
Both. I think both.
Project.
Project, sir?
We can develop both.
Okay.
We can develop both. But there is a relation between this and App Exchange that I will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow, I think tomorrow is a leave. Tomorrow is Sunday. We will connect on Monday.
No, tomorrow we have session.
Okay, tomorrow we have session.
Same time, 8 o'clock.
What is the learning curve for the Salesforce, sir? You said admin, development, integration, and lightning. Other than that, what are the other modules are there?
No need to learn anything. You want to go for the development side, administration side.
Development
6 modules is enough.
Okay, okay.
Okay, from basic to brilliance. Here.
So any basic programming skills that we need to require?
Everything will be taken care of my side.
Okay.
But I hear that.
Excuse me.
Bike
Here.
Yes, sir. But I hear that Java and .NET people can learn faster and customize. That I hear that, but I do not know where it is.
That's okay. See, that's okay. That is not a problem here. Even a layman also can easily understand. The only thing you have to practice. That's it. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So that's all about today's session. And tomorrow I'm going to discuss about. I'm going to start configuration. The first module of the syllabus. Okay, before we will dive into Salesforce environment. Okay, we need to discuss about 6 important what do you call it? 6 important
modules.
Buzzwords, I can say. What is this? Buzzwords are important vocabulary we have to understand. Here.
Okay, sir.
That is first thing. Okay. Object. Mr. Venkat Chalapati, please close your camera, please. Mr. Venkat Chalapati, thank you. Tab as objects, fields, data, and we have something like. So these are the 6 important words that we need to understand first before we dive into Salesforce environment. Understand? Clear? So after this, I'm going to discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce. All of you understand, guys? How to create an account in Salesforce.
Sir, one more thing I want to ask. There is something called Trailhead and Trailblazer.
Yeah, Trailhead. Actually, Trailhead is one kind of one thing where we can practice Salesforce. What is it?
Learning.
Okay.
Learning purpose. Trailhead. You can practice your Salesforce scenarios and all in Trailhead. Okay. I will show you how to create an account in Trailhead and how to practice it and all. Okay.
What is Trailblazer, sir? Trailblazer.
Almost similar kind of thing. Trailhead, Trailblazer and all.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So if you just like for your easy understanding purpose, generally we have a textbook. Every textbook has some chapters. Yes or no?
Yes.
After reading the chapter, at the end of the chapter, they will provide some questions. We have to give the answers for that. Yes or no?
Exercise.
Exercise kind of thing. In the same way, we can practice throughout Trailhead. Okay?
Yes.
Once you get practice and once you succeed the chapters, you will get some points. And all of you. I will show you one day. Don't bother about this. Okay, that's all about today's session.
Sai, just before you wind up, one quick, it will not take longer time. You said like developer admin profile, and at the same time you said like for QA profile it would not be that that
We
much.
have testing is there. QA profile is there. That's what I'm saying here. But don't go for testing side because very less opportunities are there.
Okay, is it because like the other side is like more prosperous, so better to look forward for developer side? That's what you mean to say? Like just wanted to have
only
like
two options you have to select, either development side or administration side.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I have a question. After payment, we need to share some screenshot.
The payment details you have to share the screenshot to the management. Okay.
Yes, sir. I did all that, but still I don't get invites.
Let me check. Anybody is there from DURGASOFT side here?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Muskan? What's your name?
Muskan, sir.
Muskan, please answer those questions, please.
Yeah, you need to send the payment screenshot to DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com.
Yeah, I've done that. But I don't get the invites, madam. I never get the invites. Every time I have to call.
Actually, link is same, right? So because of that, you haven't received again an invite. Till tomorrow, the link is changed from maximum from Monday. It will be changed.
Or ma'am,
so then how will I know?
So that we can share a screenshot.
Sorry?
Can you share WhatsApp number so that we can share the screenshot?
No, you need to send it in the mail for mandatory.
Okay, we need to share the.
What's the email ID? Can you put the email ID here in the WhatsApp group, ma'am? Sorry, in the chat.
Yeah.
Can you put?
Yeah, I'm posting it. Just 2 minutes.
Is it the same that we whatever we get it from the invitation? That's
yeah, you can revert back to our. I have dropped the mail ID. You can just revert back to that.
Okay.
Muskan, this is Janvi here. I have done that. I've been doing it from last week, but somehow they say that they don't get anything. I don't understand why.
Okay, I'll just check with your mail ID. You can just ping me a mail ID in person. I'll just check it out.
And Muskan, from my side, a small concern. So please change the timing tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. We don't have batch, and we postpone the time night 8 o'clock as usual. Okay.
Yeah, 8 to 9. Okay, sir.
8 to 10, 2 hours.
8 to 10. Okay, sir.
So no class morning.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
I think tomorrow we don't have any seminar also. Sir, no.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No seminar.
Yeah, there is no seminar, sir.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank God.
So tomorrow
we have class tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock, we have a session. Don't miss the class. Tomorrow class is very precious, guys. Don't miss the session. Okay.
So tomorrow 8 o'clock or 7 to 9?
Okay, 8 o'clock, 8 to 10. Because some people in off, yeah.
Post these demo classes, we will get live session or recorded session.
Come again, please. I didn't get you.
Sir, post these demo classes, we will get recorded session or this type of live session.
Yeah, we will post the recordings at the end of the every session. Okay.
Okay.
And also you can enter the live session also. Both.
Okay.
Muskan, you share your email ID.
I have dropped in the chat box, sir.
Chat box. Okay. Everyone, please look at the email ID and please share your payment details to this email ID, guys. And please make sure that as soon as possible, please complete the formalities so that I will create a separate WhatsApp separate batch and okay. And after that, I will share the running notes. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Hopefully we are
Okay,
able
sir.
to join tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. And I hope all of you enjoyed the session today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We enjoyed a lot.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts, sir. No more doubts.
Thank you, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow
Thank
same
you.
time at 8 o'clock.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
We'll meet
Bye-bye.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye, sir.